Did you know in Japan you can sing Tagalog song at karaoke? Try nyo yung Fumi and Kate.
Talaga? Hindi all Japanese songs lang?
No, merong Tagalog song. And you know, they have music video.
Ay,
Amazing, diba?
talaga?
Not random video.
Wow!
You want to try?
bago na. Oo, syempre. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
This is the karaoke.
Ang ganda.
Like that.
Parang hotel. Ito, live
Live
demo.
demo.
Ah, excited ako.
Let's go!
Oh, mas big.
Yeah.
Oh, wow! Oh, may projector.
Nice, diba? This is karaoke in Japan.
Sobrang social.
Social, diba?
Amazing.
This is the menu in karaoke.
Daming choices.
Diba?
Ang hirap pumili.
Diba? Let's get chocolate parfait,
Okay.
truffle fries,
Hi.
and then how about drinks?
Drink, I want sparkling. Ito, sparkling water ba to?
It's alak po.
Ah, alak. Sorry. Pwede naman kaso masyado maakal, diba? Ito. Ayan ba yan?
Ate, alak po.
Kasi Japanese, paano? Paano? Diba? Pakitranslate